This drunk girl spun her car out and ran over a woman. Watch as her lies quickly fall apart.
Where are you driving?
Right there.
I need you over here, please.
Listen.
I need you over here, please. Thank you.
There's so much going on.
Where's your driver's license at?
I don't have a driver's license on me.
She's the
I'm not the
driver.
one that was driving.
You just said you were driving. I just
No,
heard you.
I know. We were drinking.
You just said you were driving.
Listen, there's been a lot going on today with my friend's fiance that they're supposed to have a wedding and they broke up.
Huh?
I live right around the corner. Like, I'm not a bad person. I have no record,
Okay,
no nothing.
but you gotta be honest with us.
I am being honest with you, please.
Were you driving?
No, sir. This is my grandma's car. It's over here because I was worried about her. Like, I'm
Okay,
not. Like,
and
I'm
what
not
happened?
lying. What do you mean what happened? I came here and she was here. I was taking care of her fucking kids. I was taking care of her kids.
Did you hit somebody with a car?
No, I was taking care of her kids.
Can you talk to me?
I was taking care of her kids.
Stay right here, okay?
I know, I was taking care of her kids.
Let me call you back. The cops are trying to talk to me. I love you. Later.
She was drinking, I was
What
taking
happened?
care of her kids. Like, I was looking at kids.
All right, okay, you're taking care of her kids. Calm down.
What happened?
So, Bree had walked over here, and we were
Who's
talking.
Bree?
The one that's laying on the floor that got hit. She walked over here. Whatever. We was talking for a little bit, and then Caitlin and Raven had showed up, and they was knocking on the door or whatever. Well, we came. They knocked on the door. I told them to come in. They came in.
Okay, hang on. Short version. Who hit who with a car? Take her a little bit further. Just take her a little bit.
Come on here.
Oh dear God.
Why is no one want to let us know who hit somebody with the car?
Because they're our friends. So
why do you guys call 911?
because she has a big knot on the back of her head. I'm not intoxicated at all.
Okay.
I'm here at my
Who
house.
was driving and hit the car?
Caitlin,
Who's Caitlin?
the one over there.
The one behind me.
Yes.
She was driving. Okay. Were you with her?
No, fuck no.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Where were you at?
I was in my yard right here.
Okay. What did you see?
She spun out right here, and then she went really fast because Bree started walking, and Caitlin wanted her in the car, and she ran Bree over.
She ran over.
Bree.
I'm saying she ran her over.
Yeah.
77. Okay.
They're drunk.
So she came over here. I guess the one over
You
here.
can see the spin on her right here.
The one on the floor wanted her. She wanted her to come with her in the car. She didn't want to. She started walking, so she kind of like, I guess, got upset.
Yeah, like she spun
And she spun out, and that's when she hit her with the car.
Okay, so she was driving.
She was driving.
I don't know if it was accident or I'm not her, so.
Well, at this point, that doesn't matter. She was behind the wheel. She's been drinking, and she hit somebody. So at this point, we kind of have to do something about it. So.
Okay, well, can you do me a favor? Can you just say that you see something on the car and you know that it was her or something? Don't tell her that I had told you.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll try. I don't see much.
She did say initially that she was
That's what I'm
driving.
saying. She told him initially.
Yeah, and then they started changing it,
Yeah.
and then. You were driving this car?
Excuse me, what?
You were driving this car?
This is my grandma's car.
Were you driving this car? I'm asking you a question.
I was driving that
Okay.
car, yes, sir.
Did you come here? Yes. Did you hit her with this? What did you hit her with?
Huh?
What did you hit her with?
I didn't hit her.
All right, now
This
you're
is
lying
my
to an
grandma.
officer.
No,
Listen,
no, my grandma. Look, my
You're
grandma
lying.
not.
Now, listen.
I'm not lying. My
Yeah, you
grandma
are.
knocked this
All right.
mirror
I'm
off.
asking you, how did you hit her?
I didn't
Okay.
hit her. My grandma.
I'm asking you, how did you hit her? With what
My
part of the
grandma
vehicle?
did this.
You're not listening to me, okay? I need you to relax. Okay?
I am relaxed, but you're yelling at me. I have anxiety. Please just calm down.
Listen. What did you hit her with? With what part of the vehicle did you hit her with?
I didn't hit her.
You did hit her.
No, I
Yeah,
didn't.
you did. Now you're lying.
No, I'm not. Can you prove it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Then I've never been in trouble. I
right, you just calm down. Sit down right there, okay? Just sit down. Just sit down. Sit down right there.
I can't sit down.
Do you have a driver's license?
No, I mean, no, but I do have a driver's license. I don't understand what's going on.
435.
Like, I'm a good person. Like, I love my best friend.
10-4. She's gonna be the driver.
It wasn't her. It was a car coming in front of us. It wasn't you, bro. You were following behind me and her car came and ran up.
Right.
And they're trying to accuse me of my grandma's car. Like,
Do you have any medical files?
all I have is anxiety that I have a medical marijuana card for. That's it.
Okay, not a problem.
So what happened today?
Bro, we were literally just here and I started walking because my friend was gonna drive, but my truck was out of the road, and I didn't have my keys, so I was like, it's okay, like, it's literally out of the road, like, I'll just run to my truck. And then somebody was coming around the corner, sharp as fuck, and they literally... Bro, they literally ran me the fuck over.
Yeah, you're good.
For more work gathering. She's been drinking, driving.
Who?
You!
And everybody else.
You need to calm down, because I'm already upset. I'm about to take you to jail.
No, I am calm. I am calm.
Don't even talk to me right now. Don't even talk. You sit
look,
go back to the car.
No, please.
Go back to the car.
Please.
Can you get her, please?
No, I will.
I got nothing to talk to you about.
The only reason I
got nothing to talk to you about.
The only reason I drove.
Did you hear what I just said?
Listen.
Did you hear what I just said?
Can you please listen?
No,
to
I'm
me
not gonna
for a
listen to you.
second?
You're a liar.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
The only reason I drove.
Stop talking to me, please.
They would be okay because their kids were in the fucking
Right.
car.
Okay. You shouldn't be driving while you're drinking.
I only drove here.
You shouldn't be driving while you're drinking.
I know that, but she.
You shouldn't be driving while you're drinking.
She was, and so I fucking chose to drive.
Yeah, you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't chose that.
Car. My mom and my fucking uncle took care of her kids.
So I'm telling you right now. You should calm down.
I am calm.
No, you're not.
Just saying,
You need to calm down.
It's not fair how you're trying to blame me for something that I'm trying to take responsibility of. Like, her kids, she was drinking, and I'm trying to fucking be the bigger person to come over here and get her. And get her and her kids.
You should have never been driving.
To her house in Welford.
You should have never been driving.
And my mom would have watched the kids. And I asked her.
So we're not here about the kids. We're here about you drinking and driving and hitting somebody with a car. Okay?
Can you go to my house?
No.
Yes, sir. I'm not going to be disrespectful. I'm just saying, like, I really did everything I could because me and Raven were worried about her. She is my best friend.
Okay.
And ever since we were at the dollar store, I tried to tell her, I was like, don't take your kids to drive.
Okay.
So we took her kids with a guy named Dave. That's my mom's best friend, Dave. You can call him and ask him. I'm not lying. I'm being dead-ass serious. I'm a good person. I'm not a bad person.
This doesn't make you a bad person.
You know what I'm saying? But you can call them and ask them.
Doesn't make you a bad person.
You can call them and ask them.
I'm not going to call nobody.
But I'm saying you could.
This doesn't make you a bad person, bro. You lying. You lying about it makes you a bad person.
I promise to God I'm not lying.
Yeah, okay.
I can't make you believe me. You're a cop, so you're going to believe whatever you want to believe.
No, I don't. I just don't believe liars.
That's the truth.
You're drunk.
No,
I don't believe drunks.
That's the truth. You can
sorry.
call my mom. I told Bree to drive to my house and drop her kids off so she would not be driving drink with them. And me and Raven wanted to look out for them.
Okay.
That's the fucking truth. And if you don't believe it, then that's you.
We're not here.
That's the fucking truth.
We're not here about the kids. We're here because you hit somebody in the car.
We are here about the kids because the kids are the fucking most important thing.
We're here because you hit somebody with a car.
I know how it is.
You hit somebody with a car.
I did not hit nobody
Yeah, you
with
did.
a car. No one did it.
Like, just so you know, we're done with the crash investigation, okay?
Okay.
But now we're changing it to a DUI investigation.
What does that mean?
that we're changing it to a driving under the influence investigation.
That's fine, but the only reason I was here was because I live right down the road, and my friend had something to handle, Bree, and the only reason I came here was to get her kids because she left her kids with me and my mom.
And how did you come here?
I live right down the road.
Okay.
And I asked my grandma. I asked my grandma for her car so I could come and get her and her kids, so I could get them home safe in Welborn.
Did you drive here?
I drove right here. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're doing a DUI investigation. Okay.
That's fine. Okay. Yes, I understand, but I don't
So you
understand
shouldn't
why.
be drinking and driving.
No, I understand that, but I
You know
don't
why?
understand.
Because by accident you might hit somebody.
No, I haven't hit anybody, and that's what I'm saying.
So that's why we're doing it.
I came to get
You're good.
her.
You're good.
I came to listen.
You're good.
Please listen to me,
You're good.
please.
We're
Listen,
done.
you're getting nothing right now.
Yeah. You're good.
No, he's not.
I've never had it. I've never ever
So this
had-
doesn't make you a bad person?
No, I've
so
never
just don't
had
think
a
that you-
record in my life.
Okay, well,
You said you're not a bad person.
that doesn't make you
DUI.
anything.
You made a mistake.
No, I've never been.
It's a mistake that we all make.
DUI.
That's it.
Okay.
Not a big deal. You're making it worse than it is. Okay?
No, I'm really not. But I only came here because I was trying to protect my friend.
Okay.
And I had possession. I had possession of her kid.
Where's your driver's license at?
My driver's license is at my house, which is literally right down the road, like a quarter turn right, and I live right down that road.
Can somebody-
I live on Ridgewood.
Can somebody grab your license or no?
No, they can, but I can. You can drive me to my house.
No.
Yes, sir.
Why is water here?
I'm not a bad person. I have no.
No one said you were.
I have no criminal history.
So that's something you're gonna explain to the judge, okay?
No, so I'm gonna go to jail.
We don't know yet. We're
But
conducting
why
an
is that?
investigation.
Because I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, well you explain that to the jail.
I haven't though.
Okay.
I came here to get my best friend so she could be with her kids, and I have her kids. I have possession of her kids.
Okay. I don't, we're not here for that.
I know, but why is that? Put it back on me when I was just trying to do the right thing and go back get her.
You can't do the right thing when you've been drinking.
No, but I was getting her so I could.
Especially when you're driving.
No, I understand that, but then I could get back to Welborn.
So you're gonna drive to Welborn drunk?
I'm not drunk though. That's the thing.
Come on, man. Are you kidding? Are you serious right now?
Hey, Caitlin.
But it was
come on,
either her.
I'm fixing to go to her house to get the kids. You want to get your license?
Yes, please.
Can I can't go with you.
She can go. Yeah, she can go.
I don't know where it
I'll be
is.
right back.
I don't know. Where
Okay, well, I just asked your mom. I have to get the kids either way, okay? I'll be right back.
Listen, I haven't had any criminal record in the
Okay,
past.
that's something that
I
you're
came here for her and her kids because I was so worried about her kids because me and that girl Raven, she has her daughter and she just went through something traumatic. So I came here because she lives right around the corner and all I wanted was Sabrina to come to her senses so I could get her kids. And then now I'm in the wrong and I don't understand.
Okay.
I will do anything I
You have the right to remain
cannot.
silent. Anything you say or do can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one will be appointed to you. You have the right to have an attorney present while during any questioning, if you wish.
Can we please call her?
Listen to me. Let me get through this. What? Hang on. Why are we calling her?
Listen, because I am not guilty. You need to call her. She will tell
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney with you prior, during, or after any questioning. If you can't afford an attorney or desire one, the court will appoint one for you. You may stop the questioning at any time by refusing to answer further or requesting to consult with your attorney. Having these rights in mind, you still wish to talk to me?
I've never been through this.
Basically, it said you have.
I'm not a bad person.
I'm not saying you are.
I'm really fucking not. I'm a really good
Listen
person.
to me. I'm not saying you're a bad person. I think you made a bad decision.
I haven't done anything.
So I think you made a bad decision.
No, I haven't. I tried to be
And I
there
think-
for her fucking kids.
And I think standing here lying to me about the whole
I'm
thing.
not lying. Listen, please,
Stop stepping up on me.
please.
So
But I haven't.
you're
I tried to
standing here
rescue.
telling me a bold-faced
No,
lie.
I tried to rescue her kids.
Uh huh.
she wanted to go to her
Here's the problem.
ex-girlfriend's house.
You've been drinking. You got behind the wheel of that car and hit her with the car. There's marks over here where you peeled out. I've got witnesses saying you peeled out, and that's when you hit her with the side of the car.
Did not.
Okay.
What I'm trying to tell you is...
So here's my thing. Why would I trust anything you say at this point when you told us a bold-faced lie right from the beginning? First you told him you drove when we got on scene. Told him you were driving. Then you tried to change it to no, I wasn't driving.
Then you're trying to tell me that you're not drunk.
Yeah, and that's...
It's not even that. I'm just saying that I was the one that was irresponsible. The only one fucking responsible for saving her kids.
That's
once
cool.
again, I'm the only one. No, because I'm the only one. I was there for her fucking son's birth.
Listen to me.
No, I was there for her son's birth. And I'm the only one that gave
10-15.
Yes, sir. And I was the only one who gave a fuck. Yes, sir.
All right. Are you going to calm down now?
Can I smoke a cigarette or something?
No, that's past.
Yes, sir.
Now, that being said, are you willing to do field sobriety test for me?
For what? Because y'all gonna arrest me anyways.
Are you willing to do field sobriety test?
What does that mean?
Walk
what
and
do I
turn.
need to do? Are you gonna fucking uncuff me because I can't fucking do it like this? Y'all are gonna stress me. I have anxiety.
If you can calm down.
I'm gonna have a panic attack.
If you can calm down.
I'm gonna have a panic attack. I know, but I'm not a bad person, and you guys just fucking think I am.
No, we don't. You're a liar.
I'm not a fucking liar.
You're a liar. You're not a bad person, but you're a liar.
Alright. So be it.
Listen to me.
I need a fucking napkin.
Listen to me.
No, I'm listening, but you guys aren't fucking listening to me. You guys are ruining my life. I haven't had a fucking record in ever.
Okay.
And I'm a good person. I'm a good fucking person. I live right down the road. The only reason I came here was to save my best friend's fucking kids, and then you guys are gonna arrest me.
We're gonna request that you take a breath test when you get to the jail. You willing to do that?
Leave me the fuck alone.
So is that a refusal?
Leave me alone.
Okay. You realize if you refuse, they suspend your license, correct?
Fuck it. Leave me the fuck alone. Get up, piss me the
Refusal.
fuck.
Take her.
The suspect was charged with battery as well as a DUI. Officers respond to a neighborhood where a caller stated she just observed a drunk mother throwing eggs at a car with her teenage daughter.
Hey, open the garage back up, please. Bravo 502, she just went into the garage and shut the door. Hello? Ma'am?
Yeah.
Hey, it's Deputy Thornton, Nassau County Sheriff's Office. Hey, how are ya?
Good, you?
I'm doing all right. So I don't really know what's going on. I have another deputy that's somewhere else. Do you have any idea why we're here right now?
No.
HU Bravo 602. I'm 1012. Okay. So he's on his way here now. To I guess discuss with you whatever was happening.
Okay.
Yeah, you can get out. It's fine.
All I know is that these kids have been teenagers, and that's it. That's all I can.
Okay. So what's your name? Is there more people in the car? Okay. Why'd you say what'd you say?
I'm sure you know.
I know what?
My name? I thought you would have.
Why?
I just thought.
Why would I know your name?
Because the people who call the police and know who we are.
No, I have no idea
They're
your
not
name.
stupid.
No.
You're here for a reason.
Okay, all right. So how about we step outside of the garage? Okay, I understand what you're saying now. I was confused about maybe I ran into you in the past. Okay, so why am I here? Because I'm a little confused right now.
No, you're not. You know.
You're confused?
I'm confused.
Why you were told to come here?
Right, so there's another officer on a call in reference to something, and I just came by to see if you guys were home.
Oh, yeah, we were just...
We rode by her friend's house.
It's like an ongoing joke about egging people's cars, and it's been, I'm sure you've heard that the police have been called before. It's like a whole big thing, but our cars were egged, so we egged their car back, and I
Okay.
don't know why somebody decided to call the police again, knowing that it's a joke. But I've spoken to the police before about this.
Okay.
Not regarding my vehicle, but regarding someone else's vehicle. So
Okay, so not regarding your vehicle, someone else's, but you spoke. When did you speak to him last? Because I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea. I didn't ever hear about
I
this.
didn't tell you, but it was.
Oh,
Great,
I didn't tell you. It was like.
that's okay. That happens
I think
sometimes,
3
Mama.
weeks ago, it was like Cody Mooney egged everybody's cars. I didn't
Okay.
tell you about that, but
Okay.
I'm going to talk to Bill.
Hello.
Hey, honey.
What did you do?
you know
Nothing.
exactly what we did.
Why the cops here?
We got arrested.
So, I'm Deputy Thornton. Deputy Hutcherson is on his way over here. He's the one that's working whatever all of this is. I just came by to see if you guys were here. I was just given a vehicle description and to see if you guys were here, and I just happened to
We're here.
pass by as you guys were pulling in the driveway.
Yeah, it's fine. We're
So,
here. She let them in. It's an egg game that these kids are going. Listen, I've known about this shit for weeks, and not any of these kids are innocent. So
okay.
whatever.
All right. And like I said, I'm not sure the other party who called at this time.
Yeah.
I just was sent over here to see if the car was here. That's all.
I got
That's
you.
all I know right now. So he is on his way though. So he should be here any minute.
Your taser charge?
It is. It is
Can I
very
hold
much a charge.
I got 4 kids inside. Can we get it? Darn it.
Yeah.
No, we're not going anywhere.
Yeah. Your wife's on it.
Going.
Sorry, I was gonna grab my chapstick out of the car.
Okay. You can grab your chapstick. Yes. You are detained right now though. Just so we're clear.
Okay.
This has been going on for so long.
Okay. I didn't know that this was like a thing.
I didn't either until like a month ago.
Okay. All right.
Mom,
Yeah.
do you know where it is?
This is
I think it's in the passenger seat
is
because your
like-
mom just put it on.
an ongoing thing. Yeah.
Would you like to put on an outfit? A mermaid outfit?
No, I'm good actually. No. I think I'm all right with that. Why are you causing problems on this fine evening?
Well, you just gotta get them back.
It is a full moon.
It is a full moon. You know how crazy us women are.
On a full moon, it be like that sometimes.
I don't know where you're off for.
I have another one. It's okay.
Hey, and the crazy thing is, the neighbor that we ran into
Oh, he's here.
is our neighbor's son-in-law, whatever. Bitch, if I get to get for you, I'm going to your ass.
And you found the signal one?
So the young one was driving, and she said that she's the one that egged the car. She said it's been like a thing that all the kids have been doing to each other, apparently.
Right.
But I didn't go any further than that. So, because it's...
We can separate. Do me a favor and come over here for me, man.
Nope, you can speak right. I'm not at home.
You know what? Turn around, put your hands behind. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. You are now under arrest.
For what?
What?
55 her too, then, since she wanted to admit to doing it.
I did not do.
Alpha, Bravo, 5.
Put your hands together like you're praying. Like you're praying.
Was that really necessary? Did she do anything wrong?
I have no idea because I wasn't there. But he asked her to step over there so that way we could conduct our investigation, and she refused to do so. Would you let me to get in?
Yep.
So that's
absolutely.
a problem. That's called resisting.
How much have we had to drink today?
2 White Claws.
Okay. Are you willing to submit to field sobriety exercises?
No.
So a refusal can be used against you in court later on.
Okay.
All right. So I also have suspicions of you being DUI driving your vehicle.
I'm not driving.
I have witnesses that put you in the vehicle. You and your daughter swapped seats, and you drove when you fled the scene.
Nope.
I have witnesses telling me
Okay.
that. Are you willing to submit to field sobriety?
Nope.
Okay.
10-4, is this an additional 755?
Correct. This is a Whiskey Foxtrot Signal 56.
I have my phone on me. Is that okay? Or do you need it?
10-4.
It's in my waistband, like my pocket. There's nothing else on me though.
Do I hear a baby crying or something? Okay, you can have a seat.
There's like a. Oh.
There you go.
All right, so you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to talk to an attorney and have one present with you while you're being questioned. Do you understand each of these rights if I explain to you?
Yes, sir.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
I don't know what to say.
Either you want to answer questions or you don't want to answer questions without an attorney.
I won't, I guess.
Okay.
You will not answer questions?
Is that like a problem? I don't really know how this
Absolutely not. I'm going to go off with the evidence I have.
So that's your right. If you are invoking your Miranda right, then that means that you do not want to speak to us and answer questions with us right now.
Oh, then I won't, I guess. Do you need my ID?
You won't answer questions? Is that what you're saying? I'm just trying to make sure I'm clear.
I guess not. No,
okay, all right, thanks. That's all we needed.
I haven't read them to her yet, but she's refused field sobriety.
Okay. All right, help me understand what's happening.
So the daughter was driving when they pulled back up in?
Correct. Well, here's the thing. The garage shut.
Well,
and
I have a will witness that put her behind
the garage shut, and then they reopened.
Apparently, a neighbor, this has been a dispute between her and another girl in school.
Mm-hmm.
A neighbor was coming into the neighborhood. Mom was out egging the vehicle in the driveway. There's eggs all over the car, everything else.
Is there actual damage to the car?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
But it can cause potential damage because they're eggs. It will peel paint off.
Okay.
So the guy got out and talked to him. Or actually, they followed him down the road. They went into Sonoma where Jeremy lives. They got caught back there. They got out and talked to him. Mom jumped in the driver's seat of the vehicle and took off.
So.
And they identified her as the suspect because apparently their parents live next door.
Okay. So when I pulled up in the garage, they saw me pull up behind. I initiated my lights, and then they started shutting the garage door. And I yelled, "Hey, open the garage back up." The garage door fully shut, and then they opened it back up. And when they opened it back up, Mom was getting out of the passenger side. So they very easily could have switched seats.
Oh, yeah. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have them present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights if I explain to you?
What am I being arrested for?
Do you understand the rights that I explained to you?
What am I being arrested for?
Do you understand each of these rights if I explain to you?
Yes. What am I
Okay,
being
having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
No.
Okay. So
What am I
you're
being
under
arrested?
you're under arrest for criminal mischief.
For what?
Criminal
What
mischief.
is that?
Egging a car.
Can you get my husband?
I'll work on that in a minute. Turn around that way for me so I can make sure they double lock and don't lock down on you. You can spin back around and have us lean back against the back.
Tina was charged with disorderly intoxication, loitering and prowling, and criminal mischief. Her daughter, a minor at the date of this incident, was also involved and arrested alongside her mother. However, because she is underage, any legal proceedings would be handled through the juvenile justice system, which is confidential. No case details about her arrest are currently available. On February 15, 2025, police respond to a residence in Champaign, Illinois, where a man began acting violent after being asked to leave his girlfriend's apartment. Officers temporarily detain the 40-year-old suspect, but it won't be long before he singles out one of the officers and attacks him unexpectedly.
Turn around. Just because you're in handcuffs does not mean you're getting arrested. It just means you're being detained. Because you keep moving around, you keep advancing towards me. We're trying to figure out what's going on.
Man, I don't know. I don't know.
There's two sides to every story, man.
Alright, man. Can I go to jail?
You're not going to jail. You're just being detained until we figure stuff out. He kept on digging in his pocket. Make sure he's got no guns or anything. Just his wallet.
Money, man.
Alright, well, we're gonna make sure.
Open the door. Hey, Tina!
Stop
Tina,
it! Enough!
Tina!
What is
Man,
going on?
man, stop letting man open this door, man.
What is going on? You don't want to tell us anything?
Am I going to jail?
No,
Yeah,
you're
man,
not. You're
I-
just detained because you keep walking around. You keep approaching us. You keep digging your hands in your pockets.
I ain't got no pocket. You gotta be locked up,
What
man.
do you mean you have pockets right here? All right. Sit right here. He doesn't want to tell us. Hold on. Sit right here. We're going to wait for my partner.
No, hey, you serve with a female.
We're going to wait for my partner. We're going to see what my partner's going to stick with you.
I'm
And then
not-
I'm going to talk to him. What's your name?
Hey, you already know what domestic.
I don't know what your name is. I've never dealt with you. This is my first time talking to
They
you.
bust my window.
I don't know who you are. I wasn't here, man.
in my house.
I don't know who that is. I don't know who you are, dude. I've never talked with you at all.
Alright, 10-4. What am I supposed to do?
Dude, nobody's in trouble right now, okay?
Is this your wallet here?
We're trying to figure out what your name is.
That's it, man.
Okay, that's all I know.
I got Henderson there, man.
Okay.
Where's she at?
She's outside.
Alright, open the door. Man, alright, man.
Sit down.
Alright, you the same one, bitch ass nigga. You the same one with Carmen.
Leo,
Man, I wanna
Lincoln,
push your
Everett,
bitch
Ocean.
ass out.
Be quiet.
Man,
We're just trying to figure out
Man,
what's
knock your bitch ass out. You always want to. Man, get the fuck up.
Be quiet.
Man, why fuck you up?
Dude, Leo, I've never talked
Man,
to you before.
I had to fuck you know my name. Shut the
just
fuck
told-
up.
I have
Man,
your
you got my shit on there. Bitch ass nigga. You, Asian faggot. Man, I can't wait. I can't wait. Man, get your bitch ass on with Carmen. Faggot. You, man, alright, my name Leo.
Watch out, bro. Make sure she's not there.
Man, get the fuck
Do you
on.
live here, Leo?
Nah. Man, get the fuck on. Do you stay here?
Go ahead.
Okay. Just his pants, there's nothing else?
Yeah.
Socks, shoes. Where's the shirt?
He hasn't done anything. He's right there.
Where?
Okay.
Is there anything else that belongs to him? That's it? Nothing else belongs to him?
Yeah.
Okay.
He hasn't done anything.
Oh, what's your problem?
I'm asking you if you have a
Man,
coat
get the
in
fuck
here.
on, nigga.
Okay.
I ain't got no coat.
Sit down.
Alright, man. Damn.
Sit
Man, you
down.
a bitch.
Do not get up again.
Alright, man. I'll beat your bitch ass.
All she wants is you out of here.
Man,
That's
fuck
all
you.
I need.
Man, you already up, man. Watch your hand. Alright?
Stop.
I'm gonna whoop one of the.
Hey, right now you've got the option to leave. If you don't do that, you're
How
about
I'm
to
gonna
go to-
leave?
You're
Be
about
out
to go
my
to
back.
jail for
Man,
disorderly.
fuck you. Alright?
Okay, listen.
Hey, Gretchen.
Hey.
I am.
Can you
I'm super aggressive.
put your pants on and your shirt?
What's up?
Can I help you? Or no?
Hang out here for a second. What's that?
Just move. He's not telling me much.
Yeah, nothing happened. She just wants him gone.
Okay.
He doesn't have any kind of residency or anything. He's got the clothes on his back, and that's it. So.
Okay.
Stop. Go. I'll stuff your ass out.
Hey, Leo, where do you want to go? She doesn't want you here. I could bring. I could take you. Where do you want to go?
Man, you ain't taking me nowhere. Alright,
You
fuck
want to
you.
leave? You want to leave?
Yeah,
You want to leave?
All you have to do is put your clothes on.
And leave. That's all you gotta do, man. But you keep getting like
I'm
this.
gonna beat your ass again.
You want to stomp me out? You want to fight? Why? Stop.
You're gonna beat her ass again? As in you've already done that before? When was that?
He did not do that.
They said beat my ass again.
You.
Okay.
I'm gonna stomp your ass out. You.
Okay.
Can you stop?
Where do you want to go?
I'm gonna catch you again.
Can you
With Carmen.
stop?
With Carmen. I'm gonna catch your ass again.
Okay.
Can you put your clothes on, please?
Go ahead. You got me locked up.
Here.
Where do you want to go?
Again.
Here.
Alright, Carmen
Can I put
gone.
a shirt on for you?
Carmen gone.
Let's walk him out.
Yeah.
And then he can get dressed up.
Where's the shoes at?
By the door.
Here you go again. What's the badge number here?
769.
I can't wait to catch your ass.
So, I grapple, I fight, and I know how to
Nah,
shoot.
beat your ass.
So
Let me out there.
Pick your poison, dude.
Let me out.
Let's go.
I'm gonna beat you.
Let's go.
See ya.
Let's go.
Man, here you go again.
Officer Jackson, you mind grabbing the shoe?
Hey, you gonna fucking stomp me out?
Is this his? Is this his, ma'am?
This is cool.
Okay. You want me to take that with me?
No, this is cool.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Hey, just grab his wallet. His wallet was on the couch.
Yeah, I've got it.
Hey, you understand me, Leo? We're gonna let you out of handcuffs. Listen, look at me. Look at Leo.
Look at him, man.
We're gonna let you out of handcuffs. You're gonna get dressed and you're gonna leave. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
The other option is jail, dude. We don't want to take
Man, I
you.
don't give a fuck about you. Man, let me out. I ain't going to jail.
Is there a place that you would like to go?
Man, I got
You gonna walk home? Place on top of your head. Yes, you are. Put that in there.
That's what I'm saying. Every time I catch him, man, I can't wait.
Leo, I've got your clothes and your jacket right here, okay?
Go ahead and get your stuff on.
Your wallet's right there too, okay?
Hey. Go ahead. It's okay if I can do it.
Yeah, you can put your stuff on, that's fine.
Can I put my shirt on?
You may, yes, sir.
I can't wait to catch up with you. Alright. You, every time you always.
Dude, I've never met you. This is
Hey, shut the fuck up, man.
Okay, get your clothes on. Let's go.
Man, alright, what you want to send me to jail? Fuck jail.
Hey, Leo, let's get dressed, okay? I don't want to see you getting hemmed up for no reason, okay?
I only want.
You don't want that?
No.
Okay, I'll give it back to you in a second. You just set it down for now.
I don't even want you to touch me. You send me to jail again.
Alright. Let's get your stuff on. It's cold outside.
It's okay.
Yep. You can put your stuff on.
Peace. Can I get some socks?
You got socks right there.
Alright, put it on me then.
I'm not putting it on.
Man, alright.
Okay.
Now you're going to jail. Now I bet you put it in. Ain't no wrong with it.
Leo, you messed up, my guy.
Ain't no wrong with it.
You just battered me.
I'm gonna get my spot. You guys good?
Back at 781.
Chink. Calm down. Nah, you can call the police. I ain't got no shoes.
Your shoes are right there. Just calm down.
I'm gonna throw your jacket on your
Here you go again. I don't want it.
You don't want your shoes?
I don't want it.
Okay, let's go.
Alright. Go ahead.
Let's go.
Where the car at?
Check the jacket.
Yeah, damn. I've never been over here, man. Oh, I can't wait to catch your ass again.
You keep trying it, man. You think that's gonna turn out well for you?
Man, what time is going on, man? God damn. Every time I see him. What's your name?
Yo, I've never talked to you.
Man, goddamn, why you want my ass time?
Lean back.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
That's probably Officer Lee, man. That's not me.
You got everything out of there?
Yeah, I got his boots and stuff.
He ain't going to jail, is he?
Yeah, he is now.
Why?
For battering a police officer. So, yeah, he could have just walked away. He decided to batter an officer, so he's going to jail now for that.
I don't.
And doesn't leave immediately, he can be arrested for that too. I'm concerned about you. That's why I'm pushing this, okay? I'm concerned about you. I don't want you to get hurt. Alright? But like I said, you're a grown woman and that's a choice that you need to make. He made his choice and now you need to make your choice about how you're going to prevent this from happening in the future.
Well, hopefully, hopefully he won't hurt me.
Well, you can hope. How far has hope gotten you in this life? Not far.
But he didn't go to jail because of me.
He what?
He didn't go to jail because of me.
No.
He did it because of him.
Exactly.
I was just trying to get him out.
I understand that.
Because, it's alright. Like,
I'm advising you to get an order of protection. To do that, you need to call the Champaign County Sheriff's Department on Monday morning and tell them that you need an order of protection, and then they'll help walk you through the process. Okay?
he's a good person. He really is.
10-4, thank you.
He's a good person.
All right, so this is the county sheriff's department number. On Monday morning at 8 is when they open. You can call them. Okay. This over here is the file number for the.
Then something happens to me, then what happens to me?
If something happens to you, what do you mean?
Nothing can happen.
If something happens to you after the order of protection's in place, or before? Okay. if he comes here and batters you or beats you up? Or what do you mean by something?
I don't know.
Yeah, he would go to jail for that. If he comes here and hurts you, he'll go to jail. Okay? I believe that he has the potential to be a good person. But I also know that he's not thinking rationally.
He's not. That's the
And that
problem.
you can't rely on rational people or unrational people to do rational things.
Yeah.
All right. It would be rational to come here, and if you told, like, if I was over here and you told me to leave, I would get my things and leave. That's rational. Irrational or not rational would be what he did today.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can't rely on irrational people to make.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. I'm Officer Paige House Perkins. The reason for the stop is over there. Can I see that, please?
I'm saying, tell me what you pulled me over for.
Well, no, you're going to give me the license first because you're not going to
tell
dictate.
me what I'm pulled over for.
Well, I'm not stopping you. I'm stopping the driver, and now you're interfering with my business.
That's me. I'm the driver.
Right, and she's snatching the driver's license
You
out.
didn't finish your sentence, though.
I'm trying to grab the license here. I don't know why you have an attitude here, dear. The reason why I'm stopping you is I'm paced behind you where it's a 35 over there. And
I figured that.
Oh, yeah, you're going 45, and then also your license plate, I see you have a little bracket thing on there, the cover. It causes a glare so you can't see the license plate within 50
But it's
feet.
light and it's lit up though.
I understand that, but there's a glare on it and you can't see the plate.
My fault.
Okay. And then do you have your driver's license or ID with you, dear?
Why do I need it?
Because you're not wearing your
Give it
seatbelt.
to him. Give it to him, bro. Instead of talking, man.
But I'm saying, why are you asking for it?
I just told you why.
You already know. They already know this shit. Y'all are literally playing games, like.
I'm not playing games. I need your driver's license or your identification. It's the last time I'm going to ask for it. No. I want your driver's license or your ID.
Find it.
All right, go ahead and step out for me.
Okay, well.
We're going to walk to the front of my car. I'll be right with you here in a second.
I'm
sir.
saying it's right
Nope.
there, though.
We're going to walk right to the front.
It's right there.
Okay.
Right, it's right here.
Give
That's
it
what
to
I'm
him,
saying,
bro.
it's right here. That's what I said, it's right here.
You can go ahead and obtain it for me.
Yeah.
No.
It ain't no weird ass shit. It's weird as fuck that they're pulling you over in the first place.
Send me another unit.
Send another unit.
I didn't see you can get back in the car. Stay out of the car for me.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Okay. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back with you. It's a lawful order you are not to get back in that vehicle. That's correct. Okay, sir. Is this your current address?
Yeah, that's my.
Okay. I'm going to have you step out real quick for me, please. I will explain that to you momentarily. I'm just going to come in the front of my car for me.
What I do?
We're just going to come right here to the front of the car. So the reason why I'm having you step out, there's an odor of alcohol coming from the vehicle. Where are you guys coming from?
I ain't had no alcohol. No.
I didn't ask if you had alcohol. I said there's an odor of alcohol. And now you have fresh gum in your mouth, so it seems to me like you're trying to conceal an odor. It smells like a fresh mint. Can you spit the gum out temporarily for me?
What?
Because I'm asking you to.
I don't got to.
Okay. Well, what's her deal? Why is she having an issue?
I don't know why she having an issue, man.
Okay. Where are you guys coming
but
from?
I'm saying though, I was coming from other people's house in Perkins. So why? Because she said what she
Whose
said.
house are you guys coming from?
I don't gotta tell you that, man. You know me. Google my name, bro. I ain't did nothing, bro.
I have no idea who you are.
Well, look me up. You got my ID.
Okay. But I'm saying me asking you where you're coming from has nothing to do with me knowing who you are.
Okay, then. So what if we do?
Well, I'm conducting this as an OVI investigation right now because
I ain't no OVI. I ain't swearing no lines or none of that.
I didn't say you made a marked claims violation.
So you said I was speeding. So what did we do? You already know me, bro. I got investigation on y'all. So what's up, bro?
I'm trying to conduct my investigation right now, and you're not being very helpful.
It ain't no investigation with me.
Because
I ain't did nothing.
Okay, well, you're telling me that you didn't have any alcohol.
Hell no, I didn't.
But I can smell alcohol as you're talking. So
man,
you want to answer that question honestly?
You can say that all you want to do. So what is we doing?
Okay, so what I'm saying is how much alcohol have you had to drink?
I ain't had no alcohol. So what we doing?
Not a sip.
What test is we doing?
Do you want to submit the test?
What is he doing? I don't got to, because you ain't put me over for that.
Well, now I'm conducting it as an OVI investigation.
But you
so
can't do
I'm
that.
asking.
You ain't put me over for no OVI test. So what?
I'm asking you, can I check your eyes?
But I'm asking you, no, you can't. So what is we doing?
Well, I'm trying to determine, so I'm going to have you have a seat in the back of my car temporarily. Okay? You are not under arrest. You're just detained right now, okay? Before I have you have a seat in the car, no weapons on you, anything like that?
Nope.
Okay. I'm just going to pat you down to ensure you don't have any weapons on you, okay? All right, go ahead and have a seat for me real quick.
I know my rights.
Okay.
What's up, ma'am?
What is the point of being pulled over, though?
Well, I'm not the officer that stopped the vehicle,
Okay, I'm
so...
asking. Can you ask him?
Yeah, when he's done with what he's doing. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Give me 1 second. What's the reason for the stop, Officer Paytash?
Speed, and I can't see the license plate within 50 feet.
Okay. There's just a passenger here?
I believe there's somebody else in the back.
Okay. Is she allowed to have a seat in the car, or do you want her out?
If she wants to have a seat in a car so she can stay warm, she can have a seat in the car.
Okay. All right. Would you like to have a seat in my car to stay
I'll
warm?
have a seat right here in his car.
No, you're not sitting in my car.
Why?
You're not, because this is a front seat and I have him in the back.
But I'm saying, why would you do that, though?
I'm telling you, you're not going to sit in the car because I can't have you sit in the front seat.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah, I'll have it sit over here. Yeah, I have stuff up front, so... If you want to sit...
Now, let me out.
Okay.
That's crazy.
There's a curb here, so watch when you step out. I don't want you to trip.
But I'm saying is, so is he going to jail or is he not?
I don't know yet. I'm with you.
Can you open the door?
I am not opening the door. I am not opening the door.
You're going to open something.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
You're going to go over here. You're going to be arrested for disorderly conduct. I told you not to do something. Go stand over here on the side of the road.
Okay. I'm sorry.
You're just not going to open the door. It looks like he's getting a traffic ticket
For what?
for speeding.
Oh. Are you going to let him out?
I would assume as soon as he's done with the ticket.
Okay. Yes or no?
Is he going to jail for anything?
That's right now, no.
Okay, can she have a seat back in her car?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have a seat back in your car.
Mr. Daniels. Mr. Daniels. Where are you coming from?
Man, I'm not gonna tell you nothing, bro. You already said that.
What seems to be the issue tonight?
I know I'm still talking. Can I go?
Well, not yet. I'm just trying to talk to you. I understand that some things might not have went well here tonight, but if your beef is with that officer, that's fine. But you can at least talk to me. Mr. Daniels, have you been drinking tonight?
I tell you 9 times I want.
You what?
I'm still talking, man.
Because I can smell some alcohol coming off
You
you.
keep saying that, but you ain't smelling nothing. Can I go, man?
If this officer here wanted to check your eyes and stuff like that, would he be able to?
Oh, I ain't checking nothing. Can I go?
Not yet.
Yeah. Got too much money for that. I ain't doing nothing.
All right, are you going to submit to any standardized field sobriety test? Okay, right now you are placed under arrest for operating a motor vehicle while impaired. You don't need to step out.
Yeah, let's go. So you ain't put me over for that.
You can get back in the car.
What?
Swing your feet.
Let's go.
Swing your feet out.
Let's go. You know, I got too much money for that, man. I ain't
Put your feet
doing
up for
that.
me.
I gotta put it in? All right, thank you. Hey. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can you tell them to follow me to come get me?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Well, he's under arrest right now for OVI.
For OVI?
Yep.
I'm just trying to unbuckle on this side.
Okay, thank you. Do you have an ID on you by chance, dear?
My ID is actually in my phone.
Okay, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to her.
I'm talking to you, though.
Okay.
She don't need one.
My ID was left in my phone that my friend has from the bar. They picked me up at, but I can give you everything you need.
Yeah.
Okay. I have my ID number and my socials.
Okay.
But so my ID is usually in the back of my phone, and I left my phone with my friend
Do you
at
know
the
your
bar.
ID number? Okay. I'm gonna have you come back here for me, okay?
Do you have someone who can come and get you, ma'am?
No, I will walk. Can I go talk to him or no?
No, not right now.
Why?
Because he's
I will
placed
go
under
do it on
arrest.
my own.
Where are you going?
Right here.
No, you're not.
I bet you I will.
Okay, if you're obstructing my traffic stop, you're going to be placed under arrest right now.
Okay, you can take me with him. That's what I'm saying. I'm asking you.
No,
politely.
I told you no.
Well, I'm saying for what though?
Because I told you that you cannot talk to him right now.
Alright, so what do you want me to do? Sit down.
No,
A sober party's going to have to be released because right now you guys are going to be with us in a protective custody, essentially. Where are you going? You're not free to leave. You're not free to leave.
Sit down. She's getting her car.
Nope, you're under arrest now. I said stop. Keep walking away.
Of course I am.
Put your hands behind your back.
That's what I'm
she's
saying.
She's walking down the sidewalk, raising her hands as I tell her to stop. I gave her multiple lawful orders.
I'm just gonna go down with him. Nothing else better
Stop
to do.
walking away.
Right now you're just being placed under arrest for disorderly conduct while intoxicated because you're presenting a risk of physical harm to yourself, okay? You have somebody sober I can release you to.
No.
Okay.
Good.
I'm gonna put you in the back of my car here.
Just put him back. Put him back in bed.
Before you have a seat in the car, nothing on you. It's gonna poke stick up.
Man, get the fuck off me. Y'all are weird. Listen, you're not gonna put my hand up and sing.
Okay.
I will sit down.
No, you're charged with resisting. Now you're charged with resisting.
But y'all are weird.
Stop resisting.
I'm sitting
Stop
down.
resisting.
I'm sitting down on my own.
Stop resisting.
I'm sitting down.
Stop resisting. I think we're fighting. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. I'm gonna get out of the car. I'm gonna take you to the ground if you do not stop. Stop resisting. Stop
That's
it.
what I'm saying. Y'all are gonna look really weird.
Just take her to the ground. Grab cuffs. Grab cuffs. Sit her up for me. Sit up. All right, take her to the hood real quick so I can actually search her in front of a camera.
No, bitch ass niggas. I don't care. It's on police.
That's
It's
fine.
on camera.
I know it is.
Y'all are weird.
Face the car. Face the car. Face the car.
Turn me around.
Face the. I am.
Yeah, I will.
Separate your feet for me.
Yeah, I will.
Stop acting a fool.
No, y'all stop acting like a motherfucking fool. I try to tell y'all I'm trying to sit in the car. I'm doing this. Y'all tackled me to the ground for no reason. Look at me. My is out.
Well, you were resisting, so.
I was not resisting. Y'all say she's resisting. I wasn't. Literally loved it. Like,
It's
you're
all on
doing.
camera.
Take me down. Take me down.
There you go.
I've been there. I know your time. Let's go. The fuck? Y'all are weird. That's what. Please. Yeah, it will. I told you that. I was like, I'll sit down. Weird!
Sit back for me. Sit back. Can you go on that side? She won't sit back so I can grab the seatbelt.
So what do y'all want to do?
I'm trying to.
You want to tackle me again?
No.
Right. Y'all want to tackle me again? What? I don't need a seatbelt. Okay. I'm literally going
Sit?
to...
No. Sit over there.
Stop touching me, though. You're touching me for no reason, though. It don't make no sense. That's what I'm saying. Y'all are trying to touch me for no reason.
Just get her over there.
Obstructing and resisting.
Do you have somebody I can come to pick you up?
From here, right now, probably not. The problem is like the reason they were giving me a ride home is because I lost my phone at the bar.
Okay.
And it has all my information and everything. Like I don't have phone numbers. I live on Street in Sandusky.
Okay. How much has he had?
I don't know them personally.
Okay. How much has he drank?
I really don't know them personally.
Okay.
I knew of his girlfriend from like a past job like 4 years ago that we worked together. They offered to give me a ride home because I lost my phone.
Are you okay sitting in this officer's car so
Absolutely.
you're not out in the cold?
Please and thank you.
You don't have to sit back there or anything like that, just so you're not standing out here in the
I
cold.
would love to, and
Okay.
I'm literally like willing to do whatever you guys need.
Okay. Yeah. So am I. I understand.
I have found my iPhone, but like I think my other friend might have taken it with her.
Okay. You don't have like anything in your waistband. I see
No,
you don't have pockets.
You're more than welcome
Well,
to.
I can see that you don't have pockets.
No pockets.
Just have a seat for me. Okay, dear?
I have a key.
Okay.
You
Is
want
that for
these?
the car? Or
That's my car.
for your? Okay. No,
That's
you can keep
I
on your
work at the
keys.
Sandusky.
Okay, you can hold on to your keys.
Okay. I'm sorry, this is blind. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Alright, you can step out. Yeah, sure.
Right, I was like, step out on my own. You're just stuck.
Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good. These things take a little bit, okay?
My keys are down there.
Okay. Yeah, you can get them.
Okay. Well, I go to the junk if I drink too much.
So
Because I can get a ride. That's why I was getting a ride.
You can get a ride.
Okay.
You
I can
get
call a
some-
taxi.
Well,
The problem is that's why I was getting a ride home because I drank too much.
all right. You don't have anyone we can release you to.
I just don't have my phone. So
Where's your phone at?
I think the person who was initially supposed to give me a ride home has my phone.
Do you know a name or a number or something?
I mean, her name is Tammy. I don't know her phone number by heart.
Because right now you're at a .11, so you're over.
Oh, which means I can't be released?
I have to have a sober party to release you to.
Oh no.
How old's Tammy?
Tammy is like in her.
I'm gonna close this, okay? That way you can say
Tammy's in her.
Yep. What do you mean?
I said, congratulations, right?
Yeah.
Next to me.
I didn't hear what you said, so I'm asking.
I said, I haven't never seen partner.
I told you I still don't know who you are.
I got a case going on, so.
Okay. Right through this door.
First one to your right.
You get more phones?
Yep, I got both your phones. Right here on the right.
Right now?
Have a seat on that bench.
I said right now.
Yeah. No, not next week, right now, please. Thank you.
Come on, man. You already right.
You're asking right now. You know I mean right now.
Kayla was charged with resisting an officer without violence and had a bond of $2,500. Her boyfriend, Rontonio, was charged with operating a vehicle while impaired. His bond was set at a whopping $7,500. We looked into why his bond was so high, and it was revealed that Rontonio has a long arrest record in the state of Ohio. Back in December of 2021, he was arrested over a trafficking charge, along with a bench warrant for open container and OVI. His cash bond was set at $230,600.
Did I ask you? Touch me again, I swear I'm gonna get belligerent. I said no!
Traffic 10. I don't think it's going to be related. Hello, what's going on?
This is my son that came from Oktoberfest. My other son picked him up. He's obviously drunk, and he's upset.
Okay.
And he's cursing at all of us. We're just trying to get him back. My ex-husband, my fiance.
Okay. We call a recovery position, so just roll him down.
He's on the nurse.
Hey, Traffic 10, start EMS.
I know, but see how he's bent back like that? It's not good if he starts throwing up.
He's just,
You okay?
Fuck off!
please.
It's fine, relax.
I know, I just don't want him to do something. I don't want him to do something stupid he's going to get in trouble for.
I understand.
Okay?
No, we'll pull a knife off him before that becomes a problem.
Fuck
yeah!
Steven, okay, come on.
No, you
To the grass, to the grass. I'm helping him to the grass. Come on.
I'll be a shot! I don't care.
Stop.
Sheriff's office.
Relax, dude, relax.
Relax.
Calm down.
You need to get away.
Get the knife off him.
Left box. Let go of his leg. I don't care.
Let go.
Fight me, I will kick your teeth out. Do you understand? If you fight me, I will kick your teeth out. I don't care.
Thank you.
I don't need them. You fuck off.
You know what? This guy didn't want the fucking cops posted. Nosy motherfucker.
Okay, here, grab his arm, shoot his arm. I got
it.
pen. I don't care what you do.
I fucking kid. I don't care.
You're fighting a deputy. I don't care what he's doing.
Oh.
Give
us your arm. Give us your arm.
No!
Who's got the knife?
I don't care. You put your fucking hands on me. I told you guys.
But you're stepping in our way. You want to continue?
Pussy.
Thank you. I'll take the mag.
I'll be honest, I'm winded.
Come on, you want to continue? You'll be in jail too.
Yo, fuck.
Relax. Relax. They're locked. Okay.
I don't need the fucking handcuffs, you fucking pig! I'm down to fucking shootout, you motherfucker!
Relax, man. Relax. You have anything else? Relax, man.
I don't care!
I know you don't care, but you need to relax. Don't make things worse. Just chill, buddy. Don't do it. Relax.
Let me
Cross it. Put that one up. Now hold on. There you go. Ma'am.
What?
I'm giving you a step.
There's not going to work out. He's going to jail. I had to kick him in the face.
I told you fucking hit him before!
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, shut the
You
fuck up!
fucking
Let me yourself!
I don't care, he's not going to bite me. Don't worry, he's not going to bite me.
Shut the fuck up and this fucking reason is happening!
So it puts me in the spot.
I don't care, you're not going to bite me.
Once he's secure, let's get him in the grass. Here, let's get him off his stomach, on his side, in the grass. Ma'am, step back for a second.
Just watch his face.
All right. Yeah. We're not going to let him bite anybody.
I'm scared he doesn't know any of you.
I understand.
Come on, dude. Work with us here.
He's a good guy.
Don't get bit. There we go. Okay.
Do you want to sit up? Just sit
No,
up.
let's leave him right where he is. Right where he is. On his side.
Hey, babe. Leah.
Cause you rat
Alright, now, you're just making it worse.
No, he did not.
Yes,
no,
he did.
Not.
Yes, he did.
No, he fucking didn't.
That's not me. Somebody get a spit mask.
I don't need a spit mask to stop me.
Get a hobble too. I need you guys to step up.
Ask him what the
Alright, can you guys back up, please? Y'all back up.
No.
Yes.
Steven, what do you want?
Yourself. Those I got cars because of you.
Stop grabbing me.
You have to try a lot harder than that. Fuck off.
I'm not trying, buddy.
You can lie yourself all you want.
Relax.
Alright, so spit mask first. I have the hobble right here.
Hey, hang on. Everybody get gloved up first. Alright, let's take our time with this.
First, you retard.
Relax, dude, relax.
You're a retarded cop.
I know, but relax.
And when this is all done and over, I'll sue you.
I know, everybody does.
I don't need cops to do it.
Yeah, maybe this would be the best way. All right. On his side. 2, 3.
Sit back.
Get the fuck out of my way.
We're taking him to the hospital.
What hospital?
I don't know yet. They haven't said yet.
Find out?
We will before they go. I promise.
Tell me.
Yeah.
Don't touch me. I don't care. Don't touch me. I know the post office says, don't touch me!
Gloves?
Well, I'm going to put it on.
I don't give a... You will not put anything on me.
I have put it on.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You have to put me down and put me on me.
This guy is super drunk, super belligerent. He's kicking one of the firefighters here. I think we should get prepared all set of ketamine here because he's super intimidated. Okay. He's screaming, he's spitting. Calm down.
I just told you to calm down.
I'm allowed to put it on.
Yes, I am.
I don't want you to. It doesn't matter.
Hey, he's popping up. We're going to give a prepared on. He's giving a cross up.
Hey, relax. Stop, dude.
I said I don't want it on me.
I know, it's just ours.
I don't care.
Relax.
I work in an OR. I know.
You work where?
I work in an OR.
What is that?
What?
I don't understand what you're saying. You work at what?
An OR.
Oh, an OR.
An operating room. I know the bullshit you told them. I said no.
Relax, buddy. relax.
No! Hey, Scotty, I'm not gonna get a pulse ox until you.
Hey, I'm gonna get it prepared off.
Yeah, I'm getting prepared off.
There you
go.
It's good for you, man. It's gonna help you.
Oh.
It's gonna help you. Stop.
Relax, dude.
Help you breathe. That's all we need to do.
Relax. Relax. Here, I'm gonna help you slide out.
No! Go f yourself.
What hospital you work at?
What?
You work at a hospital, right?
Yeah.
Which one?
What?
Do you?
Yeah.
I don't know why we haven't met before. We're there all the time.
I work at the OR.
We got a really good relationship with you guys.
What? I'm gonna f
We're in there all the time. You guys help us out.
You guys get the. You guys are the reason I got called in. You think I give a f?
Well, I'm just saying, we get along very well most of the time.
Can I put some oxygen on you, man?
No.
Yes. Whatever
I said no. Go f yourself.
We gotta do help you, man.
I can breathe just fine. I'm not belligerent because of you guys. It's not fair. I'm treating you guys this way.
We're here to help you, man.
No, you guys are right.
We have to do all this oxygen and all this stuff. Is it okay if we put oxygen on you?
No, no oxygen.
Please?
No.
Hey, are you gonna relax for us?
Yeah, I'll relax. It's not you guys' fault.
All right, perfect.
Well, that's what we're here for. We're here to help you and
It's
get
not
you to the
fair.
hospital and get you taken
All
care
right, so
of.
listen, you're doing the right thing, all right? Because otherwise we're gonna have to restrain you some other way. So if
Yeah.
you're gonna cooperate with us, we don't have to give you medication. You good with that?
Yeah, it's not over.
All right.
It's not your guys'
We're trying
fault.
to get you comfortable too, man. Okay? But don't fight us. We want to help you, man. Okay?
No, I know. It's your guys' fault.
What's that, bud?
Can I ask one thing?
Yeah.
Can he be taken to consulate?
I'll talk to them. That's not up to me.
The reason why, this is a good kid.
Okay.
I'm telling you, he's a good kid. You've been there, I've been there. Come on now.
I will try. Well, I've never
we
tried to
take
buy
him
a cop.
to Promised
So
West?
I will ask him. But that's
How
not.
do I know where I can
As
go
soon
to
as-
get there?
As I promised you, as soon as we figure out where we're going, I'll let you know.
How do
But
I do that? Like, do I stay here? I don't know. I'm ignorant. I'm ignorant.
So let us get him situated.
Yes.
I'll open this door. I'll let you know where we're going.
Thank you.
And
That's what
that'll
I'm
be-
asking.
Okay.
We can. Hit him with that real quick. Hey, hold him down.
What the f is that? Don't put anything in me.
Watch sharp.
Yep. You ready?
No.
We have to.
I said no. Fuck.
Dude, no.
It's gonna be a bad day for you. I promise you. Go spit, bitch.
Relax.
I'll be yourself. I'll be your wife cheats on you, stupid f***er.
Can we give him a shot out of that or something?
Shut the f*** up.
No way. She keeps antagonizing us.
Hey, if you don't leave this scene, you're going to jail. I promise. You can't arrest you, stupid f***er. You can't arrest you, stupid f***er.
Whatever he needs.
I know the law. You can't arrest you, stupid f***ing bastard. I'm fine to be polite to these people. You can kill yourself. I hope your whole family mourns your death.
You gotta relax, dude. Just relax.
You're much kinder.
I'm trying to be.
I
Just
know.
relax.
But I hope you kill yourself.
Hey, that's not nice.
I don't care.
I know you don't, but be nice.
I'll be getting shot on the line of duty. Did I ask you? Did I ask you? Shut the f*** up.
You don't have to.
I didn't
They
ask
can
you.
talk.
Shut the f*** up. Jesus Christ. You guys don't know to shut their f***ing mouths. Touch me again, I swear I'm going to get belligerent.
Put this on your finger.
No.
Why not? This is for your
Because I don't have to. I don't need it.
You don't need it?
I'm breathing perfectly fine, despite me trying to bite you guys. I can breathe. All right, I'm fine. My problem is this stupid fucker over here. All right, thinking he can act however the f he wants. You can't arrest my mother just because she's telling you guys what the f to do. All right.
She's interfering with law.
She's not interfering with anything, you stupid f. No, she's not. All right, let me know how that holds up in court, you f ass. All right, you can say whatever the f you want. Doesn't mean it's true. Just because you have sheriff on your fucking chest doesn't mean anything, you fucker. All right. Notice this guy. Look.
Calm, cool, and collective.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
all
what
right?
we want
Notice
you to
how,
be too.
Notice how he's not acting like a kid like you, fucker. All right. Just because you have sheriff on your chest doesn't mean fucking shit. Notice this guy. Look.
Hey, what do we need to do to get this guy to the hospital?
I don't know.
What else?
I've been fucking waiting.
Burst that in a minute or two.
Unfortunately for you, it's not exactly easy. All right, look at this guy. All right, American flag, the fucking star. You know, how about you go f off? Can we have somebody else? Is that something I'm able to request?
It doesn't work like that, unfortunately.
No, it doesn't. No, I can't request a different jackass. No. All right, I tried. How about that guy? Can that guy talk? That guy that has sheriff. Are you less of a jackass?
I guess it's up to you.
It's up to me? Alright, let's try talking.
What do you want to talk about?
I don't know. Are you less of a jackass than him?
We'll find out during the course of our conversation.
I mean, dude, come on. It's a yes or no answer. You gotta know.
Am I a jackass? I don't think I am now.
You don't think you're a jackass? Alright, switch places with him.
I'm not listening to you.
Alright.
You're not running this.
Alright, that's fair enough.
Hey, you guys want to go mad on this?
Alright.
Huh? You want to go on this?
Yeah, we're on this. Can we put this on your finger?
No.
Give us some
You
options.
have a,
No.
No, you're going to need another...
I'm completely coherent, unfortunately for you guys. I remember that woman tackling me and whatever. Alright? Unfortunately for you guys. She didn't do anything wrong either. I feel bad for cursing at you guys.
In the nose?
You guys are doing your job. Especially you,
That's
dickhead.
the only one he had the lid on.
You're a dickhead still. It doesn't matter. Yeah.
Yeah, you put a mat device in, but he got a lid on it. So.
Don't touch me.
Yeah, they don't want to move the...
Look away. Look away.
I said don't touch me!
Don't look. Don't look.
Saves lives.
Saves lives. You guys are a bunch of dickheads.
Bring your legs down, man.
Go f yourself, you fucking spit bitch.
Wow. 21st birthday. Yeah.
What the f? I'm already 21, you stupid fucker.
I know.
What the f are you talking about? Fortunately, I already turned 21. Is there any way I can have different sheriffs? No.
That's all we got right now, dude.
That's all you got?
That's all we got.
Yeah.
These guys are a bunch of dickheads. Especially this guy. No, I don't dislike you as much, even though you're kind of annoying. You, on the other hand,
Kind of what?
you're kind of annoying.
What makes me annoying? What did I do?
I don't know. I don't like the way you
Can you
look.
let me know when you find out why I'm annoying? Because I like to fix that if that's a problem.
No, it's just the way you look. Yeah, it's just the way you look. You, on the other hand, I dislike you entirely. You're telling me you're telling my mother you're gonna arrest her, but you can't. There's nothing she did wrong. So you can go fuck yourself. Unfortunately for you, you're a little nigga. And yeah, I know.
You're just checking all the boxes.
Yeah, no, I'm checking all the
hitting them all,
boxes.
man.
Unfortunately for you guys, I don't give a f. All right. I think you're white. I can't really see you in the glasses. So I think you're white. It doesn't really matter. You guys are all worthless in my opinion. So can you guys all kill? Is that an option? No.
No, I got too much stuff to do.
Yeah, it was worth a try.
I got a dog at home. She's gonna miss me if I do that.
Understandable. I respect that the most.
Yep.
You go to Wellington?
I respect it the most.
You can't put the sensor on your finger?
No.
Will we sit you back a little bit?
No. Self.
Oh my god, dude. Is he out?
No, he's
still with us a little bit.
How you doing there, man? A little bit better?
No.
What's your name?
Consistent.
How you feeling there, man? You getting sleepy?
No.
No?
No.
Well, you will be in a little bit.
You guys keep saying no.
Can I put you on some oxygen?
No.
How old are you? How you doing there?
12.
How you feeling, bud?
He's out.
He's officially out, boys.
Yeah. Just up here.
So.
Oh my god.
Wow. Good. Yeah. How you doing, man?
So.
Just want to get a sensor on it. We're trying to show we're trying to do something. He's still fighting me. God. I can't hear. He keeps clenching his hands too. I can't even get the sensor on him, man. Yeah. Relax.
It's not gonna happen.
Relax. Let me see your finger.
No.
Give me your finger.
No.
There you go. Give me something there.
No.
Mostly.
Stephen was charged with 2 counts of battery on law enforcement, 3 counts of resisting with violence, disorderly intoxication, and 2 counts of simple assault.
Hello. You okay? What happened?
Trying to get out.
And what happened? How'd you manage that?
I got stuck.
Did you? You were hanging out or something?
Yeah, I was at Punch.
Mm-hmm.
With my friends.
I gotcha. Question for you. Have you had any drinks tonight?
I mean, I've had a couple of drinks.
Okay. Alright. How many drinks have you had?
About 3.
About 3? Okay. And about how long ago was that?
Probably within 2 hours.
Okay. Alright.
I'm a nurse.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't know if that makes any difference.
I gotcha. Okay. So I'm gonna just run some tests if that's okay with you, just to make sure that you're okay. I mean, your vehicle isn't okay, but yeah. So would you be okay doing some tests for me? Okay. Can you do me a favor? Just put your feet together. Put your hands at your side. Just you. So I'm gonna use my finger, and I just want you to follow it. Okay? This is gonna be considered my stimulus. Okay? I just want you to follow my finger, okay? I tell you what, let's walk over here. Now place your right foot on the line ahead of your left foot, with the heel of your right foot against the toe of your left foot. Take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line, turn around and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back on the line. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes.
You may begin. When I tell you to raise either foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your raised foot parallel to the ground. You must keep both legs straight and arms at your side. Hold that position while you count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003. Alright, I got one more thing for you, okay? Alright, would you be willing to blow on this?
What would that mean?
This is...
like, what would that mean? Like, okay, I'm in anesthesia.
Mm-hmm.
Like, professional.
Okay.
So, I'm going to school to be an anesthesia professional.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I'm a single mother.
Okay.
So, like, what I blow in this is gonna affect my whole life. And I live about 1 block from here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So, I get it. Like, I shouldn't have gotten behind my wheel.
Mm-hmm.
I get it. But that is gonna fuck up my whole life.
So are you refusing to do this?
I mean, I don't know. Should
I mean, you have. I mean, that's
like,
that's
honestly, like, can you just
so you're
be
gonna
my friend right now? Like,
no,
because
no, I'm not here to be anybody's friend. I'm just here to do my job. Okay. So you're gonna be placed under arrest for DUI. Okay, driving under the influence. Okay. So like I said, I'd like to give people the option if they want to blow or not. Okay.
Please don't. Please don't.
Unfortunately,
Please don't. That's
unfortunately,
everything. That's everything. I'm a single mother, okay, and I've done everything in my life to be an anesthesia professional, and this will mess up my entire life. I'll kill myself.
Well, I don't want you to kill yourself, but like I said,
this is what it will come to.
Well, I don't want that to happen, but like I said, you're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay?
Coming out of this.
Keep going this way. You know, sit right here. Community Protection Act, and were subsequently found not guilty of the associated DUI charge.
What does that mean?
Say it again.
Can you just say what that
Well,
means?
I have to read. I'm gonna explain everything to you, but I have to read this first.
Okay, I get it. Okay, I get it. You have to read that.
I do.
But I'm also like an anesthesia.
And that's fine, but let me get through this first because it's fairly long.
I was an ICU nurse.
Okay.
So just read it to me straight.
Well, that's what I have to read all this first.
Read it to me straight.
Well, I have to read all this first, okay? And then I'll be able to explain everything to you, okay? Considering the above, you are warned if you refuse distorted extremities and injuries that require the injured party to be carried from the scene. Would you like to submit to all chemical testing? So that means, I was just about to say, so that means that you will blow in our intoximeter, which is our alpha sensor 5 right here. Then we'll go to the hospital and you would provide blood and a urine sample.
What did I do? Like, what the fuck did I do for like this?
For being impaired while operating a motor vehicle.
I mean, I didn't hurt anyone. Like, what the fuck?
Before you could hurt someone, that's why you're being arrested because
I fucking live right down the street.
That doesn't matter, ma'am.
Right down the street.
That doesn't matter. You were coming out of a parking lot and you crashed your car.
I was trying to get out of the parking lot. Like, why is the parking lot blocked off?
Because it's closed
after
out there.
9 p.m. because this fucking town is a piece of shit.
I got you.
That's what it is. That's the fucking people, like, want to fucking do drug shit and
so are you refusing all chemical testing?
and all that shit, and so we can't get out of the parking lot at 9 p.m.
So are
That's fucking crazy.
So are you refusing all chemical
Whatever.
testing?
Like, oh, goddamn, kill myself. Like, whatever.
Well, I'm asking you a question.
Whatever, I'll kill myself.
Okay. Well, I'm asking you a question.
It's fine. I'll kill myself.
Okay.
After this. I hope you understand.
Okay. So are you refusing?
Once I understand.
Are you refusing
like,
chemical
testing? Once I get out of
testing?
here, I'm gonna kill myself.
Okay. So are you refusing?
I'm an anesthesia professional that just got fucking. What did I just fucking get arrested
for? Are you refusing chemical testing?
I don't even know. Like, I need
a
talk
yes.
to somebody because I just want to fucking die right now. I just want to fucking die right now.
So
like,
yes
honestly, I just want to fucking die right now. Is there any way that I could fucking die right now? Like, honestly, because I don't want to fucking do this.
So you're refusing chemical testing?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll do fucking chemical testing.
You say you will?
Yes.
Okay.
Like, what do you need? What exactly are you trying to do? Like, why are you fucking going after me?
I'm not going after you, man.
You are of everyone you could fucking go after. Okay. In fucking Champaign, Illinois.
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way.
You're going after me? You're going after me. I was a fucking ICU nurse for 5 years. 5 years, an ICU nurse. Like, what the fuck? Like, my life is done after this. My life is done. So you might as well cut these and pull it to my fucking head. Because it's done. It's done. And if you let me go, I'm going to fucking do it myself. do it myself because you just fucking ruined my entire life. It's over. It's over.
Like I said, I'm going to ask you one more time. Are you going to submit to the chemical testing?
I mean, yes,
Okay.
but what does that mean for me? Like, what does that mean for me? Because okay, I don't know, like, what you've been through, but I've, like, put my whole life into being a CRNA, okay? And if this ruins that, then I just ruined my entire life.
Sit down. Sit down.
Kill me. Kill me.
Sit. Sit down.
Kill me.
What are you
Kill me. I'd rather die. Do this shit. I'd rather die. I'd rather.
Relax. She do the same thing when you got her on? Or you just pulled out? Oh, yeah.
Literally, I'm an ICU nurse. Like,
Okay.
what the fuck are you guys
Crystal,
doing?
this stuff happens, okay? It's not a big deal. We're gonna get you squared away, okay?
Kill me. Like, for real, fucking kill me. Kill me.
Stop, Crystal, you're gonna make it worse on you.
Bullet in my head. God damn. Like, what the fuck do I have to do?
Y'all got this cuff to get loose? You have to unlock it again. She keeps flipping them. That's what happens. Keep breathing, Crystal. You're doing really good.
Oh, fuck you.
Stop. You're doing fine.
Seriously, just fucking kill me.
So then go ahead and release that
Fucking
one.
bullet in my head. God damn, there's nothing left to live for.
Crystal,
Everything I lived for is over now.
That's not true.
It's fucking over now. Just fucking kill me.
Okay, we're gonna help you.
Fucking bastard.
We're gonna sit you up, okay? Come on, Crystal. Stand up. Good. Very good. Very good. All right. Have a seat right here, okay? You're doing just fine. Okay?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me out real quick? Hear me out.
You're
an ICU nurse. The thing is, when you make this report,
there's nothing left to live for.
There is. People make mistakes.
No, there's nothing left.
People make mistakes, okay?
No, I've lived my whole life to fucking do CRNA. And now there's nothing left.
All right, Crystal. So remember you said you'll submit to all the testing? I just need to take a deep breath and then blow into this, okay? You ready? Hold on. Take a deep breath and blow. Keep blowing, 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 keep blowing. Go, 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 go. Good job. Thank you. All right, Chris, I'm going to ask you a few questions, okay? I have to read you something. You going to be okay right here while I ask you that stuff?
I mean, what the fuck do you mean? Like, after this, what do you
After this, we're going to go to the
I'm
hospital.
kill myself.
Okay, well, we don't want that to happen, okay?
That's what's gonna happen. Like,
Okay.
that is what is gonna happen.
Well, I don't want that to happen. That's why we're going to the hospital, okay?
That is what is going to happen. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck is this?
Okay. So I'll tell you what, instead of me asking you these questions here, I'm going to ask you at the hospital, okay?
No. As soon as I go, don't.
Well, it's not over.
Everything I've worked for is over. You don't know because you've never fucking worked for it.
I gotcha.
You don't know because you didn't spend 5 years in the ICU trying to get into anesthesia school. You don't fucking know.
Well, I'm sorry
You
feel
don't
that way.
fucking know. So until you fucking know, then you'll understand.
Okay.
It's fucking over. I'm fucking dead.
She was charged with resisting an officer and 2 counts.
Residents in Lumberton, New Jersey ramped up their pressure on committee members last night, saying Mayor Gina LaPlaca needs to go following her drunk driving arrest. She is charged with driving drunk with her toddler in the car.
You all right?
Yeah.
We're just getting reports that you were swerving all over the roadway. You okay?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You okay?
Yes, I am. Over to the house, buddy.
You all right?
Yes, I am.
I'm struggling to stand a little bit.
Oh, good. Thank you.
You okay?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Thank
Sure.
you.
Have you had anything to drink or anything like that?
No.
Can you just sit on the curb for me for a minute while we talk to your mommy? High five. Thank you. All right. Have you had anything to drink?
Yeah.
That's all right. I mean, luckily you're not hurt.
No.
Would you mind doing some tests for us?
Sure.
There's some damage on the car.
Oh, no.
Okay. Can you change the location to 12? That was today.
Yes.
You don't have any recollection of hitting anything?
No, I don't.
All right. It's like this. Feel the toe. Okay. Okay. Did you hit 9 yet? That's okay. The next test we're going to do is the one leg stand. Okay. Being honest with you. So, I mean, how much had you had to drink?
I don't know.
What did you drink?
Was it vodka?
All right,
I'm sorry.
Look, we're just doing our job, so.
No, I know you are.
All right, so this time we have to place you under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay. Officer Pascal here.
Just step back from the door.
I know, that's okay. Yeah, okay, that's it right there. Oh, that's alcohol?
She said she drank vodka, so.
Yeah, that's a mixture of something. Maybe that and the mixture of the
So you're getting released right now. I gotta let you know my body camera's back on. But since your blood alcohol level was so high, we'll have to take you to the hospital. So all they're gonna do is just check you out, and then most likely you'll just be released. Okay. All right. So the ambulance is here. They're gonna take you over. Please. All right. And then I'm waiting for the officer so we can explain the tickets, but I'll uncuff you for now. My son okay? Yeah, your son's fine. He's with his son. You're good. Just stand by real quick.
I know it says when someone needs to pay, you can pay them both hand. You have a report date on here at the bottom. Has all the information on there. You're obviously getting 450 driving while intoxicated. And then your license was expired, your driver's license was expired, so you get a citation for that. And you open the container in your vehicle, you have a water bottle filled with alcohol in it, and you had a little shot glass, whatever it was. And then we received multiple videos of you swerving in and out of traffic or breaking the center line, the fog line, so you get a ticket for that. Then careless driving and reckless driving. Alright? So, These are all going to go through the hospital. Okay.
And then this is just a copy of your blood alcohol level, okay? Okay. So this is the report here, and you have her driver's license?
We also have footage of the driver that captured her reckless behavior.
This was after she had gone fully into this lane like 3 times. But like she went up on the grass a couple of times. Yeah, I recorded her for a little while.
That's way out there too. That's not even at Main Highway yet.
This was all the way down.
Where was this at?
So this was from
That's
Del
by
Ran.
Lockheed Martin right there.
So I followed her all the way from like Del Ran.
Did you ever see her hit anything?
No, but I know her mirror was hanging off. I don't know if she hit something earlier. But yeah, like at some point, it's still just a lot of swerving, but then up here it gets to the point where like fully off.
Did you get her going through any like stop signs or red lights by chance?
No, she stopped at everything, but then like almost hit that pole.
Yeah, she almost hit the pole.
At one point, she did almost hit another
Could
car.
you tell if the kid was secured? Like, was he?
Yeah, he was. No, he was in the thing. I saw like I didn't realize there was a kid in the car until like we were at the red light turning left on the 38, and I saw like the hand come up. I was like, oh, shit, there's a kid in the car.
Yeah.
And then yeah.
I'll give you
Public says a committee is not setting the right example.
So at some point, sitting here and not saying anything, you're allowing this.
Lumberton deserves better. Our kids deserve better. Our community deserves better. And if you won't do the right thing and step down, then we'll make sure you're removed.
Several committee members told residents they agree with Governor Phil Murphy's opinion that Mayor LaPlaca should resign. She did not attend the meeting last night. Her husband has said she is seeking treatment.
Officers tell LaPlaca they were called by a concerned resident who saw her driving erratically. Inside LaPlaca's vehicle, according to police, officers found a water bottle with alcohol as well as a small liquor bottle.
Following her arrest, LaPlaca's husband, Jason Carty, a political activist and former executive director of the New Jersey Brewers Guild, posted on social media to say LaPlaca has struggled with addiction. Last week, the community and a member of the Lumberton Township Committee requested that LaPlaca resign from her role as mayor. The town's attorney told the crowd that legally, under New Jersey law and township code, there is nothing the committee can do to remove Mayor LaPlaca as a person on the committee. Mayor LaPlaca has a court date scheduled for April 15, 2025. At a Lumberton Township Committee meeting on Thursday, March 20th, committee member Terrence Benson said he thinks Mayor Gina LaPlaca should step down. My personal opinion is for the mayor to step down and to heal herself, Benson said. He also said that he does not condone the actions of the mayor and wants her to be selfish and realize her physical well-being comes first. During the meeting, a long list of people spoke at public comment that stretched on for more than an hour and called on LaPlaca to step down. There is a huge black eye and black cloud over our town right now, Amy Callahan, a Lumberton business owner and resident, said. I do believe that we need to move forward as a community, and for us to truly turn the page. I believe that cannot occur with her on our council. Callahan said that she received an email from the mayor saying that she will not resign. Gina LaPlaca, the mayor of Lumberton Township, New Jersey, was arrested on March 17, 2025. And charged with the following: driving under the influence, DUI, reckless driving, endangering the welfare of a